Hi guys and welcome to How To Experts. In this video, I will show you how to get Roblox voice chat. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to roblox.com/home. Once you are now in Roblox, this time select Help. Wait for help.roblox.com to finish loading. In here, use the search bar. On the search bar, you are going to be searching for Chat with Voice. Once you are now here, scroll down this time and then select Chat with Voice. Scroll down once again and then look for this part of the tutorial. Then select the No button. Then select Need More Help. Contact support here. Wait for the website to finish loading once again. Once you are now here, fill up your Roblox information, starting with your username, first name, email address, then confirm your email address. On Issue Details, select the device that you are using. For now, let's select PC. Then, on the second bar, select Chat and Age Settings. Then, on the third bar, select Adjust Child Privacy and Security Settings. Then in here, just type Enable Voice Chat, please. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.